Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on this beautiful day. Oh my god, what's up? It's time for example number 7, numero 7 on the SFML in this SFML tutorial series. So what we're gonna do today is just make a simple little game where you shoot balls from your hands. Alright, balls, straight up balls into other balls or into another ball which is moving from side to side. So that's gonna make a little simple game. We're not gonna use, well, whatever. We're not gonna use textures this time, but we'll come to that later. But how do we do? Well, I started with this, just a little simple basic thingy, because I don't want to have to rewrite this all the time. But we'll just say this is what's up, and then yeah, we'll just start coding right away. Well, what do we need? Well, we need one ball. We need a let's use using namespace as space std, no, sf, excuse me, sf, and then we'll remove all these sf thingies. And alright, so we'll have a circle shape, call it hoop, and then we'll have a circle shape, call it ball. Alright, so the hoop is going to be moving. Let's just see, it clears it. Let's clear it in white. Color white. So we have a white color being cleared. Here we're going to update everything. Update, and here we're going to draw everything. So when we update stuff, first we're going to draw the window.draw the hoop. Alright. Bam. And we're gonna fix things. So hoop.set fill color black. So hoop is black. And then we're gonna do hoop.set outline thickness, call it, maybe say 2. And then hoop.set outline color, we'll call it color blue. Alright, so we have a little hoop. I don't know what I just did. I think I broke something. God damn it. Thank you. Alright, so let's see if this draws something out on screen. Please. 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 Okay. You know what I did wrong is I didn't do this. Hoop.set radius. Let's give it a radius of 50. I keep doing L. Okay, 50.f. I think this takes f as well. All right. So let's see what happens. All right. So we have a little hoop. Now, to make the hoop move, if hoop.get position. Remember, the position, even though it's a circle, the position isn't in the middle, it's in the top right corner of the thing. Whoops. I'll show you in a second. Get position.x is, let's see how we're gonna do this. We're gonna have a boolean. We're gonna have an integer for direction. I think there's the easier way to do this, but integer direction equals 0. So if direction equals 0, else, and then bam. So they're two different directions, obviously. And then we're gonna have an if thingy for if the hoop.get position.x is less than 0, equal to 0, direction equals 1, else if hoop.get position.x plus. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna change the direction if the the ball or the hoop touches either side of the screen, right? So plus hoop dot get radius is bigger or equal to window dot get size dot x. So I'm gonna illustrate what I'm doing here. Whoops. There equals 0. So if direction is 0, hoop dot move. Let's say we move to the right. If it's 0, we're moving to the right. No, if it's 0, we're moving to the left. So we're moving to the left. So minus 5, 0. And if we are moving the other way, it's 5. So, and it starts at 0, so it's going to start moving that side. So we'll see if this works. Wow. Okay. I think 5, we need to do this as well. Window dot set frame rate limit 60. That's the issue right there. It's going to move too much. It's going to move out of bounds and go crazy. So now it's moving. Okay. Moved way out. So it's moving to the right. It's moving to the right. If direction is 0, else, okay, so if the hoop position is less than equal to 0, over there it's going to be 1. If it goes there, it's going to be 1. It's going to start moving right. And if it is going right, touches the right side of the screen, it's going to become 0. So boom, it should be 1. Okay, well, why isn't this working though? Less than equal to, bigger than or equal to get size dot x. Get radius. Oh, get radius multiplied by 2. But this shouldn't really make a big difference. I mean, it should start moving the other way. Oh, whoops, my bad. Sorry, I'm a noob. I'm sorry. Okay, now it should be fine. Yep. Okay, we're good. So the hoop is moving, blah 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 blah, like blah 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 blah, and that's good. Now I think I'm gonna make the hoop set position vector 2f and then 0, and then we're gonna just put it 10.f down, meaning it's not gonna look as weird on the top. So we're down a little bit. All right, so that's our hoop. All right, and what we're gonna do is, this is the update for the hoop, and this is gonna be our update ball. So we'll make another little thing. We'll just copy paste the hoop and we'll call it ball, and we're not gonna need direction. We're gonna make the radius less 20. We'll set the color to red. We're not gonna have any outline, and we're gonna put the position to okay, we're not gonna need the position actually, because we're gonna set the position wherever the mouse is, because the mouse, well, no, wait, the X position is gonna be the mouse thing. So what we need to do is we need to set it to, the X position is gonna be the mouse. The Y position is going to need to be screen or window dot get size dot y, and then minus ball dot get radius excuse me minus, or ball dot get radius multiplied by 3 this time, because we don't want it to be right on the bottom of the screen. So let's see if this, no wait, what happened now? Oh yeah. So, and then we're gonna draw the ball as well. Window dot draw. So we're first going to draw the hoop and then the ball. The order is important as well. We want the ball to be drawn above the hoop. What happened to my throat today? Okay, something weird happened. What did I just do? Because I'm really like, why are you even watching my videos, guys? There we go. Okay. Alright, so we have our ball here. And it's going to change its position depending on the mouse. So we want to update that. We want to say that ball get position set position mouse dot get position dot x, and then ball dot get position dot y. So it's always going to be the same y, basically its own little get position, and then we'll have the mouse choosing the x of this little ball here. So that's kind of weird. Set position x. I think this is relative to, this isn't relative to the window. What about now? Yeah, that's better. So now it's relative to the window. And now we can just shoot the ball. Boom, 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 boom. Alright? And as soon as we press the... let's see. Draw. I'll say draw is there. And then update ball. Alright, so as soon as if mouse is button pressed, mouse left. Alright, and then we're gonna shoot the ball. And we're gonna need a boolean is shot. That's a nice boolean. False. And is shot equals true. And alright, so left is shot. Now when we shoot it, we want the ball to the Y position to increase positively. Let's see. If is shot, then ball dot set position, ball dot get position. So the X isn't going to change anymore. Get position dot X, and then wait, ball dot move. Excuse me. Ball dot move 0, and then we're gonna go minus 5, kind of 5.f, and then this whole mouse thingy can only happen when is shot. So when it's not shot, all right, when it's not shot away, it's going to. All right, what did I just do? Wait, like that. Boom. Wait, what? Left and then it's okay. We're good. So when it's not shot, that's the only time you can do when you can shoot. Oh wait. Is shot equals true. This should be fine. Okay, this is what you want to do. If is shot. So if it's not shot away, then it'll move with the mouse. If it's shot, it's going to. Else we can do this to make it a little cleaner. Let's do that. Remove this completely. Else, if it is shot, it's gonna be doing that. So let's put this above as well. So there we go. Make it a little cleaner. Whoops. Just like that. Okay, and now here we're gonna do the collision. So if the ball dot get position dot y equals larger or less than equal to less than 0, basically we're going to is shot equals false, and then we're gonna set ball dot set position ball dot get position dot x, and then this whole thing here, wait, where is it, this whole thing here, position window, there we go, this whole thing, that's what we're gonna do. There we go. So that's gonna reset the ball for us at the bottom of the screen, and this is also gonna happen. And if ball dot get global bounds dot intersects with our hoop, intersects, wait, it takes a oh, okay, wait, dot get global bounds. Alright, so this should now reset our ball if it touches anything. Let's see, it's moving. Alright, set it. Okay, it's not resetting it if it's less than 0 or whoops, or my bad, or ball equals blah blah blah. Alright, so it's gonna reset it. Whoops, god damn it. Okay, so it's resetting it when it moves up. If I'm pro, yes, I am pro. Wow, I'm so good at this game. I love how it's just like disappearing. Wow. So there you go, that's a little game with mouse movement and intersections and stuff like that. And this is a good way you can check intersections. Whoops, I don't want Steam going, excuse me. So what I did here, basically, I'm gonna explain this. What I did here was I found all the 4 corners of the ball, and I checked if those intersect with all the 4 corners of the hoop object. So that's what get global bounds does. And it says here, it says SF float rect. It's a float rectangle, basically 4 floats in a rectangle which define the object, and you can check if they intersect and stuff like that. And then I checked if the ball was outside of the screen, because it can only go one way, so I only checked that side. And this resets the ball. Reset ball. Anytime this happens, this moves the ball as soon as it's shot away. This just shoots the ball away. Oh no, this puts the ball in the position X position of the mouse, and we want to keep it downstairs, I was gonna say, but at the bottom of the screen, because we don't want it to move up and down with the mouse. So we just give it the ball's original position back to itself, and then here it shoots. It just sets the boolean to true. Now I hope you all understood all of this with direction as well, and all the collisions and stuff like that. The reason I do radius multiplied by 2 is because, remember, radius is just from the center point of the object, or the circle, to the corner. So to get the full width of the circle, we need to multiply it by 2, right? Because you got a circle from the middle point to the right or to the left is just the radius. You want the diameter, so that's multiplied by 2. And then, yeah, checking if it's which side of the screen it's on and stuff. Events, we don't really need to work with that. We can add one more thing just for repetition. So what you want to do is you want to do event.type equals event button key pressed. Alright, and event.key.code equals keyboard escape. Right, and then you want to do window close, and that's gonna let us close the game with the escape key. All right, boom, good. So yeah, here you go, guys and girls. Remember to set the frame limit as well, otherwise you're gonna get some weird results because it's gonna go too fast. And yeah, I hope you understood everything. I hope you learned something today, and keep learning, keep doing your thing. Thanks for watching. As always, thanks for all your support, and take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye bye.